Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to use Transpose in Excel. It's very simple and quite easy. So let's get started. The Transpose function is used to convert your data from vertical to horizontal or horizontal to vertical. So basically, we have two methods to use Transpose. The first method is to use the Transpose formula. First, add the equal sign. Next, write Transpose. Next, start parenthesis. Then select your data. Then close the parenthesis. And then press enter from your keyboard. And that's it. Your data transposed successfully. In this method, when you change any information or data in your array table, then it will automatically be changed in Transpose. Or if you delete any data, then it will also be 0, 0. The next method is to select your whole data and copy it. Then, right-click anywhere, and in the Paste option here, select the option Transpose, just click on it. And that's it. Now, in this method, if I change or remove any data in my array data, and as you can see, it will change in the first method here, but it cannot be changed in the second method. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.